Thank you for choosing Vego Garden. Today we'll be assembling our elevated rolling bed in the 2 by 6 foot size. This video can be referenced for all elevated rolling bed models. Inside the box, you'll find packages of hardware and all of the pieces for your garden bed frame. Read through the instructions before beginning assembly and lay out all the pieces of the frame, separating your bolts into matching piles for identification. Note that the B3 bolts have a flatter head than the rest. This will help make assembly a breeze. To begin assembling the frame, first connect the rim ends to the frame links using B2 bolts and cap nuts and tighten all the connections using the tools provided. Next, attach the 4 adapters to the frame where the links and ends connect using B2 bolts. These will hold the garden bed to the frame. On each end of the frame, attach an adapter and a pull handle using B4 bolts, ensuring that the handle is outside of the adapter and curving upwards. To build the shelf, slide the 2 halves together, aligning the holes, and secure them with a B3 bolt, washer, and cap nut. The next step is to attach the wheels to the bottom of the legs and then the legs to the shelf. When connecting the wheels to the legs, insert B6 bolts from the bottom up and place cap nuts on the top. Then connect the legs to the outside corners of the shelf using B5 bolts, fitting the shelf into the brackets on the legs and making sure to place legs with locking casters on opposite corners of the shelf. Then tighten all connections. Next, place the flat frame piece on top of the legs and connect using B2 bolts going down through the frame and legs. Secure with cap nuts. Now that your frame is complete, lock the wheels and set it aside to build your garden bed. Assemble the bed, placing corner panels on the outside of straight panels and installing hardware only in the top 2 rows of holes for now. You'll use cap nuts for the top 2 rows. Attach safety edging to the top edge of the bed, and then place your garden bed on top of the frame, hardwire side at the top, and align the bottom edge of the bed between the edges of the adapters. Then insert B1 bolts through the garden bed and frame adapters from the outside and secure inside with a nut. Next, place the wicking cell trays into the frame, followed by the corners, which clip over the edges of the tray, and install the remaining hardware in the bed. Now your elevated rolling garden bed is complete. I look forward to seeing how you use this unique addition to your garden, and I hope this video helped you. I'm wishing you all a beautiful day in your garden.